Trying to launch an online business and wondering which platform gives you the best shot at success? Specifically, have you ever found yourself asking, is Tailor Brands better than Shopify? It's a question that might seem straightforward on the surface, but delves into the very core of what each platform is designed for, and more importantly, what your business truly needs. We live in a world where starting a business online has never been more accessible. The tools and resources available are abundant, making the dream of entrepreneurship a reality for millions. But with so many options, choosing the right foundation for your digital venture can feel like navigating a maze. Two names that frequently pop up in discussions about online business tools are Tailor Brands and Shopify. They both promise to help you establish your presence online, but they go about it in fundamentally different ways. This isn't just a simple comparison of features. It's about understanding the philosophies behind each platform and aligning them with your own business goals. Let's break down what each platform brings to the table, who they're ideally suited for, and ultimately, help you decide which one is the champion for your specific needs. First up, let's talk about Tailor Brands. Think of Tailor Brands as your all-in-one business launchpad. Their primary focus is on helping you establish your brand identity from the ground up. This means their core strengths lie in areas like logo design, creating a brand kit, and even assisting with business formation services like LLC registration. Imagine you're a new entrepreneur with a brilliant idea but no design skills and a limited budget. Tailor Brands swoops in with its AI-powered logo maker, allowing you to generate professional-looking logos based on your input in minutes. They provide customizable templates, social media kits, and even print-ready vector files, ensuring your brand looks consistent across all touchpoints. Beyond just design, Tailor Brands aims to simplify the initial administrative hurdles of starting a business. They offer services for obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, filing for trademarks, and even helping you set up a business bank account. They truly want to be the single point of contact for getting your business off the ground legally and visually. Their website builder is designed for simplicity, offering drag-and-drop functionality and basic e-commerce features. You can create a simple website, integrate your brand, and even sell up to 100 products on their premium plan. They're geared towards quick and easy setup, perfect for those who want a professional online presence without deep technical knowledge. Their pricing reflects this, with plans starting at a lower entry point compared to Shopify, especially if you opt for annual billing. For example, their basic plan can be as low as $3.99 per month when paid annually, though monthly costs are higher. Now, let's shift our focus to Shopify. Shopify is, without a doubt, a titan in the e-commerce world. If your primary goal is to sell products online, and you envision a scalable, feature-rich online store, then Shopify is built specifically for you. It's a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to handle everything from product listings and inventory management to secure payment processing, shipping, and extensive marketing tools. Shopify's strength lies in its robust e-commerce capabilities. They offer unlimited product listings, advanced reporting, abandoned cart recovery, and a massive app ecosystem with over 6,000 integrations. This means you can add virtually any functionality you need to your store, from advanced SEO tools to sophisticated marketing automation. Shopify's themes are highly customizable, offering a vast array of aesthetic options, and for those with coding knowledge, the possibilities for customization are almost endless. They also provide flexible checkout customization and advanced B2B selling tools for larger operations. Recent updates in 2025 have focused on AI-powered shopping assistance, improved analytics, and increased product variants, showcasing their commitment to cutting-edge e-commerce solutions. When it comes to ease of use, Shopify has done an excellent job of making a complex platform accessible. While it has a moderate learning curve due to its extensive features, its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and streamlined onboarding make it manageable for beginners. However, the true power of Shopify often lies in leveraging its advanced features and third-party apps, which can sometimes require more time and effort to master. Their pricing starts higher than Tailor Brands, with the basic plan around $39 per month, plus transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. As you scale, so do the plans, with the advanced plan at $399 per month and Shopify Plus for enterprises starting at $2,300 per month. So who is each platform for? Tailor Brands is ideal for new entrepreneurs and small businesses who are just starting out and need help with brand identity, logo creation, and basic business formation services. Individuals or small teams who need a simple, professional website to showcase their brand and offer a limited number of products. Those on a tight budget who prioritize getting a basic online presence established quickly and affordably. Anyone who values an all-in-one solution for initial business setup rather than integrating multiple tools. Shopify is ideal for e-commerce businesses of all sizes, from startups aiming for rapid growth to established brands with high sales volumes. Merchants who need robust selling features, including extensive inventory management, multi-channel selling, and advanced reporting. Businesses that require significant customization for their online store and plan to scale their product offerings. Entrepreneurs who understand the importance of a strong e-commerce foundation and are willing to invest in a platform designed specifically for online selling. To put it simply, Tailor Brands helps you start your business and create your brand. Shopify helps you sell and grow your online store. If your vision is primarily about building a strong brand identity, securing your business legally, and launching a simple online presence, Tailor Brands offers an excellent, streamlined solution. It's like getting a business starter pack with a built-in designer. However, if your ambition is to build a full-fledged online retail operation with a vast product catalog, advanced marketing capabilities, and the potential for significant sales volume, Shopify is the unequivocally more powerful and specialized platform. While Tailor Brands offers some e-commerce functionality, it's limited compared to Shopify's dedicated and extensive suite of selling tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.